There are days when responsibility feels less like purpose and more like a crushing load. Everyone depends on you. Expectations never stop, and rest feels like a luxury you can't afford. You keep going because you have to, even when your strength is fading. Carrying so much for so long can leave you drained, unseen, and dangerously close to giving up. In moments like this, the promise in Matthew 11, verse 28, speaks gently. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Jesus doesn't ignore the weight you carry. He invites you to set it down, if only for a moment, and let Him carry it with you. There is also reassurance in Psalm 68, verse 19. Praise be to the Lord, to God our Savior, who daily bears our burdens. You were never meant to shoulder everything alone. God steps into your everyday responsibilities, offering strength for today instead of pressure to handle everything at once. And when your energy feels completely depleted, remember Nehemiah 8, verse 10. The joy of the Lord is your strength. Strength doesn't always come from doing more. It often comes from remembering who walks with you and why you keep going. Bring your exhaustion to Jesus. Tell Him about the deadlines, the expectations, and the quiet fear of letting others down. Ask Him to renew your strength, reorder your priorities, and teach you when to pause. Jesus understands the burden of responsibility, and He offers strength that lasts beyond your own limits. If you feel overwhelmed today, stop and pray. Jesus, give me the strength to continue when I feel empty. You may find that His strength meets you right where yours runs out.